Well, guys, oh my gosh, it's coming up. Let's see what it's about. Breaking news from K. Basically, it's a different tornado going on in the town of SML Parody City. It's called. Jeez, I cannot read this. It's away from me. What does it mean? This? It's called Money Tornado. Wait, what? I could turn that tornado can spend that money outside. Psst, I don't believe it though. Yeah, it could be fake, all I know. Yeah, I think that's alright. Yep, agreed. I mean, dude, I don't really know. It could be real. Cody, it just sounds so unrealistic for it to be real. Yeah, you're right. So, everything can be. I would think that's so real. Come on, what the heck? Oh, yeah, I think. Don't worry. I'm already sure about some. Alright, guys, so. Who wants donuts? Guys, I'm not going to make a family fun night. It's probably over by now. Only gonna last for 2 hours. Go on Tuesdays. Dude, well, I don't know. I guess we'll be late, but it's alright. What the heck is this? Is this money? Guys, look! Guys! I thought this in a tornado. What did you find? Did you find a way to escape? No. But I found something better. I found actual money in this tornado. What? No way I found actual money in a tornado. You gotta be kidding me, right? I'm pretty sure I'm not kidding. Guys, I'm not actually kidding. I found actual money in this tornado. Wow, that's pretty sick. I didn't actually think it was real. I guess everything, I think it's just a lie nowadays. Yeah, agreed. I think everything you think. Phone us. Only things meant to be carrying around are a wallet and a pocket knife. Sometimes when I see an ick, I really just love exercising free will. Honestly, I feel like I do it more when it gets pointed out. Well, that was just interesting. Yep, agreed. Guys, don't go back at the money. I guess I'll do it. I feel like there's people out there that actually froth at the mouth. Whoa, look at all this money. That's like $1,000 at least. Dude, that's a lot of money for me. That's poor as hell. There's a lot of money for you, but not for mom in the world. Dude, $1,000 is still $1,000 not that bad. You can buy a lot with $1,000. Okay, so and I'm pretty got Alright now, Charles, I'm gonna give you one objective over here. What the hell do you want now? Let's see, maybe you wanna walk through your pool, clean out all the nasty stuff. Like, what are you shitting inside of it? Like, whoa, who does that? Who and does it to a pool? What's to swim in it? Have fun, you know? No, usually because your own personal bathroom. Shut up! I do not give a single crap. Alright? Huh? Yes. I'll deal with you later. You guys have this. Come on! The tornado I was talking about. I might be more wet. I'm gonna make the mom's house. Alright guys, so I don't know what to do. Oh crap. John on again! What's the which one? Yep, I bought the tornado here. What are you conscious? I don't know. I'm gonna die. A movie kid book. The Getaway. Dude, no time to wait. Why a Dolly Whippy kid book? Like, no time. Man, I don't know about that, Joseph. I don't know about that. I sure? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Trust. Okay. It's kind of useless.
Yeah, that would be kind of difficult if you live in a bad area. Or if you're like staying or you're walking around in like a dangerous area or whatever. I don't know, but the last thing everyone's been thinking about is...
Well, I'll take this tornado money as your house rent. My tornado money as your house rent. Bye. Well, I feel that was well done. My pirate jetball, what the heck are you doing here? I'm gonna say something about this money tornado thing. Sit down. Alright. Why so nervous about it? I feel like it's not really going well for us. Oh, psst, come on. You're always over dramatic all the time. Nothing bad is gonna happen. If one thing does bad happen, I don't know. I don't know what thing happened. But I don't know here. I'm missing nothing. I mean, nothing bad could really happen. I don't even know.
Telling my brother, I'm like, no, bro, dude, Taylor Swift bag, divorce, prospect.
I guess. I'm gonna talk
When
quick.
I first saw them, like, I'm just so
I Bro, let's important to say that. Yeah, dude.
And the reason probably came straight from Twitter.
So what source is money tornado? I'm on a ukulele. Really? Ukulele? Yeah, think about it. Well, now they give us bull crap. Just come on. Holy crap! Dutch! Dude.
That was so funny, I'm gonna start joking. But yeah, voice cat trolling is really the OG form of rage bait. And the fact that
Oh crap.
so well.
It's taking that hot amber room.
How are you keeping this shit going? Like, you know it's raging.
What the? Is that a hot amber room? Shot! Holy crap! Duh. Shut
their
up.
name. Like, how would they even know them? How would they just casually Pizza Hut in their phone? Okay, they're probably who thought this was real.
Yeah,
But
so-
there's been so many cheating pranks going around on TikTok. But like, you can at least say it's a skit or something, or put like POV or something. Say it's a skit in the description. Literally anything. Because
You know what, dude? I'm really tired of these things. You know what? I'm gonna execute a tornado gun. It's not anything. It's just a prototype of that. I just drew tornado detector.
Juicy guys. Okay, don't take that. And there was conveniently a part 2, and there was conveniently... There's probably more.
No. Come on, no. What do you want? You are never got to go on life again. Boy, watch. Wait, what the? No, what? Hey, what's another life again, more rich? Hi guys, I got the solution. And give me a guess? Meh, don't mention it. Don't